Your brain is actually getting too hot inside your skull, and a yawn is just a trick to cool it down. When you open your jaw this wide, it stretches the muscles tight against the side of your face. This movement expands the hollow air pockets behind your nose, acting like a giant air pump. That pump sucks fresh, cool air deep inside your head, flushing out the trapped heat. The cold air chills your hot blood as it flows through the thin walls of your nose. That cooled down blood travels straight to your brain and instantly lowers the temperature. It works just like a fan on a gaming PC, but eventually the heat starts rising again.